Welcome back everyone. After a long wait, I got the iPhone 14 Pro and I'm gonna go over unboxing as well as my impressions. I decided to get an upgrade from this right here. This was my old phone. The main reason why, and this is the iPhone XS, was a crack due to me being a bit of an idiot. So yeah, we'll see how it differs from this, the phone quality, as well as my impressions of the iPhone 14 Pro, and is it worth the $1,800, unless you can write it off, obviously, as a business expense. Let's go over the unboxing of the iPhone 14, baby. Don't know to pick up the new iPhone. Let's go, baby. Absolutely stunner of a day. Oh yeah. Let's see how the video quality differs too. Front camera doesn't even work. Use my card. G12. Oh, here it is. Let's get this printed. The package looks. Stocks out here. We got a new phone.
Featuring Delon.
Featuring Delon.
Follow me on Instagram.
Zoe. And my favorite, Quentin.
Excuse me, I thought I was your favorite.
Are you a doctor?
You want to say something to Suno Stocks?
Huh?
You want to say something to Suno Stocks? The fans?
I don't know what to say.
Adam sucks.
Okay, what about you, Quentin? No one asked you, Delon.
I'd like to say that I'm excited for this thing.
For this thing?
For that thing.
I don't know why your followers are following you. You're so mean.
Coming from this guy right here.
Do you see a house?
Okay, can you film this?
Oh my god.
I got a case as well.
Get it all in. Are you just posting this on YouTube?
Yes.
This is so... I need another take.
It's the 14 Pro.
Would you post again?
Oh my god.
Your head's cut off.
You see that?
It says there's a house. Where is this?
So, very sleek box. Very, very sleek iPhone 14 Pro. MD PhD funds, baby. Look at that. Beautiful case.
I think the fans want to see, guys. This is Adam's notes for school.
Hey, I use it to mind muscle connection. You remember stuff
Oh my
great.
god, you read this? Okay, guys,
Focus on this.
comment
Focus
down
on this.
below if you think you can study from Adam's notes, because I could not.
Hey, focus on this. It's the 14 Pro. Okay, we're gonna little tab up here. Open it up.
That was very anticlimactic.
Open this one up too.
Your fans are getting bored. They're about to exit the video. Don't drop it. Wow, so pretty.
Alright. Oh, it just falls right out. Sleek look, gold. You gotta
Is it
take this
gold?
off. Yeah.
Oh, it looks white. Are you sure it's gold?
Yeah, it's gold. What do you think,
white.
fans? Is that
It
gold?
looks white, you guys. I think they sent you the wrong color.
First impression compared to this is the 10.
Oh my god, I'm crying.
It's a bit bigger than the 10. About the same, a bit bigger. You see this, a bit bigger, side by side. This thing too, right here. So you can see the comparison. We're gonna turn it on now, if it works. Okay, you know what? The rest of this tutorial will be done later, but thanks for tuning in, Suno Stocks.
Bye.
My first impression of the iPhone 14 Pro is it is an absolutely solid phone. I think the main difference between this beat up XS is the camera quality. And so if you're taking a lot of videos, a lot of photos for school or for work, or of course if you're a vlogger, I would recommend the iPhone 14 Pro. And as well as the picture quality, at least for selfie mode, I took a picture both with the iPhone 14 Pro and also the my old phone, the XS, and we'll compare them side by side, and you can see the immediate difference. So again, if you're really caring about image quality, then the iPhone 14 Pro is the definite win. Otherwise, I can definitely say that the screen has a much better resolution than the XS at least, and has a much better battery life, at least in the beginning. And I mean, you can see that the film quality, I'm filming this right now using the iPhone 14 Pro. So if you're looking for a very high quality video, I think the iPhone 14 Pro is best in class, and I'm happy with the purchase. If you're not looking, or if you don't need an amazing camera for day-to-day life, then I wouldn't say that it necessarily really matters whether or not you're using a 10 or a 14. I think it's a pretty big upgrade for me, and I'm happy with the purchase. But I mean, when you think about the finance of it, this phone here, I mean, when it was new, I got it refurbished. It cost me $350, and the new iPhone 14 Pro cost about like 1,600 Canadian dollars. So, I mean, it's really up to you whether or not you're willing to dish out that money, and of course, based on your interest, weigh out the pros and cons. But yeah, again, I'm happy with the purchase. I'm going to be sticking with the iPhone 14 Pro for a while now. Also, I will say the iPhone 14 has an incredibly sleek look. I really like it compared to the iPhone XS that I had. And if you buy the iPhone in Canada, you'll also notice that they do have, this is now the crappier quality of my MacBook Pro. They do have a little port here for the SIM card. If you buy the iPhone 14 Pro in the States, unfortunately, you have to have the eSIM where you don't even have a physical SIM card. So if you're in Canada, some providers, and I'm sure in the States as well, don't accept eSIM. For me, at least, it was nice and convenient that they still have the SIM, but look for newer models to potentially phase out the SIM card.